Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Theft, fire, water damage. Risk is everywhere, right? But there's definitely a solution. It's protecting your valuables. I want to talk to you guys about having a good quality safe in your home. A safe doesn't just protect valuables, it protects your peace of mind as well. Whether it's important documents, family heirlooms, firearms, cash, jewelry, or just personal information, a safe ensures that what matters most to you stays secured, no matter what life throws at us. So I recently picked up a safe from Harbor Freight Tools. It's called the 10-gun electronic security safe, and it's made by Union Safe Company, and they make safes for Harbor Freight. And I like the safe because for me it checks all the boxes. It makes an excellent choice for people looking to secure storage without breaking the bank. What I mean by it checks all the boxes is it is large enough for anything I need, whether it's a firearm, deep enough, I can put lots of things into the safe. It makes an excellent choice for those looking for secure storage without breaking the bank. And that's kind of what I was looking for when I was selecting a safe. So here are my thoughts on the Harbor Freight safe. It features a really robust steel construction, dual access options, which I really liked. And I already mentioned this, but it's got a really spacious interior. The safe is designed to keep valuables secure while providing easy access, fast access, whatever you need. You can use a key, you can use a combo, it doesn't matter. When you take a little bit closer look at the 10-gun electric security safe, some of the standouts for me, I guess, would be durability and budget-friendly approach. So as far as standout features, the dual access convenience for me is great. I'm going to use the electric keypad. I'm going to lock the key up in another lockbox, and that's my backup. But you can do keyed or keyless, which gives you two very reliable ways to open the safe. As far as keyless, it's programmable. There's 8-digit keypads. You can do up to 8 digits, plus you have to do a letter A or a B. And you can set your own personal code at any time, providing you super flexible access to a safe. I really like that. So I used all 8 digits, and I used one of the letters. The keyed backup ensures you still can access the safe in case of a dead battery, because it runs off of AAA batteries or some sort of electronic failure. I like the combination of both. It's easy to use. The combo, the electronic combo, is also really easy to set. Just there's a little button on the inside to set it. Once the combination is entered, you get a green light that illuminates, an LED light, and then you just turn the deadbolt and then turn the knob and it opens the door bolts, and there's a bunch of those. There's like 6 of them. Another standout feature I like is its heavy-duty, robust construction. It weighs 179 pounds. This safe is built with heavy-duty gauge steel. It's got a 0.15-inch solid steel door, and it's designed to resist tampering and prying. Right? So that's what we want. It's not a fire safe where it's sealed for water intrusion or something, but it's pretty solid. The 15/16 diameter steel locking bolts provide security against force entry and pry resisting, top, bottom, and all the way along the sides. The hinges are concealed on the inside for additional protection, again, preventing it from being pried from the exterior or attacking the hinges. I did note that the door swings smoothly, and the hinges feel real super sturdy when operating the door. It's real smooth. I always look at that when I evaluate doors. How are the hinges moving the door? This is smooth. There's no slop or movement in the door either if you try to shake it, which is nice. Standout feature for me was storage capacity. I needed that. That was one of my boxes I needed to check. The interior cabinet dimensions are 20 3/4 wide, 50 3/4 high, and 13 7/8 inches deep, which equates to about 9.79 cubic feet of storage. There are 3 adjustable shelves for organizing documents, firearms, valuables. I chose to use 2, so you'll see that in the video, but there's a 3rd one you can use. They can be removed to accommodate larger rifles or something, highly secure when they're in place and easy to adjust. Mounting options. So for additional security, this safe can be, it's got pre-punched holes, but it can be secured to a wall on the back, the sides, or the floor, or both. Just offering you folks an additional layer of protection from someone maybe trying to move it. 179 pounds, it's pretty heavy to move. It also has California DOJ, Department of Justice compliance. Doesn't apply here in Massachusetts, the opposite coast, but if you're in California and you need a safe that meets your strict firearm storage compliance standards, this safe meets California DOJ approved. That ensures that you're complying with your state's requirements for securely securing your firearm. In Massachusetts, they want it locked. It could be any kind of lock, but this safe is elevated above that. Some of the pros on this safe, guys, because I looked at a whole bunch before I went after this one. Versatile storage, adjustable shelves, give me some flexibility organizing and accommodating different items, valuables, paperwork. Real easy code management. Can change the code access. It's super quick and straightforward. Just gives me peace of mind. I don't want to have to play around with confusing things. I don't want to have to look up in the manual how to change the code. You press the button, hold it, do your code. Dual access, so I have that backup key that I keep locked somewhere else. It's my backup in case the battery dies or electronics fail. Solid security features. I mentioned the heavy-duty steel construction, pry-resistant hinges on the inside, robust locking bolts. Just gives you excellent protection against break-ins. And then obviously the DOJ compliant for folks in California. I think that's a really important thing to those folks. They want to make sure they're following the laws and not getting in trouble with the POPO and ensuring that their firearms are secured, safe, and in compliance. Look, as far as cons, there's not a lot of cons on this safe. The safe requires batteries to operate electronically. Big deal. It's not fireproof, meaning water intrusion can get in and stuff like that, but it still will protect your valuables if there were a fire and did get soaked. It's heavy. Okay, I think that's a plus, actually. I did have to have help moving it in, but the weight of it could be challenging to steal it, right? So I think the weight adds to its secure build. So to conclude my review, the effectiveness of safes in burglary prevention is well documented, and there's a study in 2020 by the National Association of Certified Fraud Examiners, and in their report, they talked about how they highlighted how safes, lockboxes, and vaults significantly reduce the likelihood of asset loss during a break-in. So that's why I have one. I wanted to secure some things that are very important to me. But look, anyone looking for a durable, affordable security solution, the 10-gun electronic security safe by Union Safe Company is an outstanding choice. I've liked it. I've been using it for a while. It sells for $379.99 at Harbor Freight Tools. It's a great value, and it gives you a really decent level of protection. So if you're looking for peace of mind, dependable security, customizable storage without breaking the bank, check it out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. It was super short. I thought of doing the review just recently, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to share this with the guys because I really like this safe. So if you liked the review, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I'm really curious about you guys. Like, how do you secure your valuables? Do you use a safe? Do you hide things? Leave some comments. Let me know how you do things. And please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell because it helps support the channel and you get a notification when I put out a new video. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you at the next video review. Take care.